See me here already, so we have a Mercedes C220. So I'll get inside the car. We have this message on the dash here. Start engine, see the owner's manual. So let's start the car up and see what happens. So there we have it. There, the message just popped up. It took a minute to pop up, but it's basically saying stop the vehicle, leave the engine running. Now it doesn't matter how long you leave the engine running, that message doesn't disappear. So if we have a look on the diagnostic machine here, we got two faults in the front SAM unit. So let's go in and have a look at it. Mercedes always take a long time to load up, so we'll pause for a minute. And we can see there on the diagnostic we got 13.95 volts on the battery, and it's dropping there a little bit, 13.8. Mercedes really do take a long time when they're loading diagnostic info, but you can see there the message is still displaying. So we'll go back and wait for this to load up. We are in. Press the trouble code, see what we've got. We have the code B1F4500. Resistance of the starter battery is too high. We lift up this battery unit here, this plastic. If we take this up, a couple of clips, and we can access the battery. Move the cabin filter box here, pull that up, and then lift the cabin filter out, just like that. And there we have the battery. I'll connect up the leads here to my Autel battery tester. Go in here and click on battery test. In vehicle test. Here we have AGM 800 battery. I'll click all of the test requirements there that were needed. State of charge, it says, is 90%. We're going to run a starter test. So we'll get a key in ignition here. I'm ready to start. Got timed out there, so we have to reset it. And we're going to go again. It says there cranking is normal. Now we're going to test it with the vehicle running. Turn off all the electrical appliances. Yes, we have. We're going to accelerate the car up over 2000 RPM. Release the pedal and press continue. Turn on the electrical appliances. So we'll turn on the heater, and we turn on the headlights. I think that's about all we can turn on really. AC, yep, AC's on. Continue. Again, hold the revs up. Now continue. Turn off the ignition and electrical appliances. Okay, the keys out. Let's see what we got. See the report. And it says everything's good. But the state of charge is different to the fault code that was coming up, so we'll go back in and show you that. You can see there again, once you turn the car off, it just says start the car to charge the battery. We'll disconnect our charger now and we'll get this battery removed. So it's pretty much the same as opening any battery really. You got two 10mm bolts on the live and negative there, we've got them open, and just down here we have a 13mm bolt on the clamp. We'll pull the old battery out now, we'll get this new one in. Okay, we fitted all the battery back in there, put all of the plastics back in place. Okay, let's put the key in. You can already see there the yellow ember sign is not on the dashboard there. Let's start it up. So that looks all good. And straight away there we can see an increase in the voltage, 14.7. So let's go back in now and look at the code that was there and we can clear it. Okay, so that was the code there we had. Resistance is too high from the starter battery. B1F4500. So we've got some other codes here that have popped up, obviously because we've disconnected the battery. They're saying there's a short circuit. So we're going to clear all of these codes. Done. We'll go to control unit adaptions. Let's see if we can program the new battery in. I think we're in the wrong area. Yeah, this is the wrong one. We're going to have to go back. Okay, we're in the active test section here and we're going to confirm change of battery. Confirmation of the battery change is F1. Now we can continue. Done. That's it, completed. So we can come back here again, we can still confirm that there's no warnings about start the engine or leave the engine running. So let's just click off that reserve fuel sign there. Sorry, it's a bit not focused there, the screen. So that's it, we have one car, back to normal, no more warning messages, just that fuel symbol there. So that's it, and we'll see you on the next video.